Hey guys, Philip here at Freedom Kia of Clarksburg in Bridgeport, West Virginia. Right now we're going to take a deep dive into the 2019 Kia Forte with the Android Auto capability. Give me a second, we'll be right back. So this is the home screen for the 2019 Kia Forte Uvo system here. Conveniently located kind of stuff there, radio and all that good stuff. But today we're going to take a look at the Android Auto. You're going to first plug in your phone that has Android Auto capability into the USB port down here and then connect it to your phone. Then you'll see your logo come up here in the middle of the screen. You're going to click on that, and here is Android Auto. Now this is the home screen here for you Android users there. Now on the left here, you do have your navigation, which is powered by Google Maps, which is very, very nice. You also have your phone screen there. And then you have your music. You can do Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify, all of your good connections there for music. And then here is where you're going to return to the home screen for Kia there. So very easy to get back to your home screen if you want to change your radio station or whatnot there. Now, this is also operated by voice there. So I'm going to have Charles hit the voice recognition button there. Navigate me to 97 Joy Lane in Bridgeport, West Virginia. So it's going to use my voice to connect to the navigation. Joy Lane.
Let's go.
So it's going to connect me to the navigation.
You've arrived.
And I've already arrived. Wow, that was pretty quick. So we're here. That's the dealership address, guys, 97 Joy Lane. So we're going to hit done there. So it's pretty easy to get there. You can also search there if you would like. Now this will probably be not useful when you're driving there, so use the voice recognition as much as you can. So that is Android Auto. If you have any questions, we're here at the dealership all the time. Give us a call, 304-566-7830.